Hi, Teresa Duncan here. Do you own a dental billing company or work as a dental biller? This job is complex. Compliance, coding, and managing dental office finances can be overwhelming. As a dental revenue cycle manager, you know the challenges: staying updated, navigating insurance complexities, and it can feel isolating. You're searching for a place to connect with like-minded professionals. That's why I created Dental Revenue Network. Our membership gives you everything you need to become a better revenue cycle manager. Say goodbye to feeling alone and hello to a supportive community of dental billing professionals. Your membership includes monthly billing-focused meetings with industry experts, business building sessions to elevate your career, specialized resource libraries for billers and for business owners, vendor deep dives into RCM technologies, and a vibrant network of RCM professionals just like yourself. Are you ready to transform your dental billing experience? Visit dentalrevenuenetwork.com today and explore our community. Take the first step toward becoming an exceptional revenue cycle manager. Don't wait. Join us now. Navigate the business of RCM with Dental Revenue Network.